Hi everyone, what is up? It's Anna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to share with you guys how to achieve an affordable graduation look. So you don't have to spend more, but you will look as glam. So yeah, why not? And also, I will be uploading more frequently. I'll be uploading my videos weekly, so I expect new videos on every Mondays and Fridays. But then if I have more time, I would squeeze in a new video every Wednesdays. So before we even start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the thumbs up. Alright, so first of all, we are going to start with the primer. But then before that, don't forget to prep your skin and always remember to apply sunscreen. I am going to use the 020 Rose Gold Pore Minimizing Primer. So now we're done with priming. I am going to use my favorite drugstore foundation, which is the Magique 12-Hour Bright Matte Foundation. I can't recall my shade, I'm so sorry. So this foundation is very amazing. It is very affordable. It has a good matte finish and it lasts quite long actually. And I have an oily skin and this works wonders on me. So here comes the beauty blender to the rescue. Alright, so now we're done with the foundation. Now I am going to set my makeup with my favorite drugstore loose powder. Okay, this is Lakme Rose Powder with Sunscreen. You can get it at Guardian. Alright, so now that we are done, I am going to proceed with my brows. I am using the Rimmel London Brow Shape Filling Powder. You can literally shake it, right? So I have quite a thick brow. So what I did is I just outlined my brow like that, you know, just to make it on point. Yeah. Just like that, and I stroke it slowly. And same goes with this side. Like that. Then we're going to comb it. And we're good to go. Right, so now comes the tricky part, to conceal. I am also using a concealer from Rimmel. This is in the shade of 040 Soft Beige. Alright. Okay, I know who did that already. Must be my brother. Alright, so I think it's better if I come a bit closer to the camera. Yes, that's it. So now we are going to proceed with of course highlighting our under eye. I am still using the same concealer. I think this is one of my favorite drugstore concealer because it hardly creases, you know. So yeah, it's really great guys, and it's cheap. And then next, to highlight my under eye to brighten up, I am actually using the Itsmyrayeraye X Beach Cosmetics palette. Alright, and using one of her brushes too. It's the brush number 4, right? And I'm using this shade Chai over here. You know, you can use something that's similar if you want to recreate this look if you can't find this palette, because if I'm not mistaken, it is sold out on the website now. Yeah. You can use any like banana powder or something, you know, just to brighten up. If you can see, okay, it really does the job. Alright, so now for the bronzing part, I would be using the Catrice Sun Glow Bronzer. actually define our noses a bit. So you have to be very careful. You don't want to mess it up because you know you want your nose to look defined, not like a clown or a big nose. So you have to be very careful. Alright, so now moving on to the eyeshadows. Right, I am using the Newtrals versus Newtrals palette from Makeup Revolution. Okay, I will use this little cute pink over here and just blend it onto my crease like that. Alright, and then we are going to define our outer crease a little bit. So we are going to use this shade over here. Alright, and then we take one shimmer shade over here, which is this one. Alright, and just apply it directly onto our lids like this. Alright, so here comes the fun part where you grab your eyeliner. Alright, so just make a thin line over here, you know, down here, like that. Alright, and pull it up a bit, like that. So there you go, you have it. For the lower lashes line, right, take this orange. Okay, we are going to take this orange shade over here, right, and then apply it directly. And then for the tear duct, grab any pencil brush and take this cute pink shade over there. It already has rich band, so we are hit band. There you go. You're highlighting your tear duct. Alright, if you can see that. Yes. Alright, so now that we're done with our eyes, alright, and we have done our shading, now we are going to select our blush. Alright, I'm using the Peachy Bronze Goddess from Makeup Revolution. Alright, we're going to take this pale pink over here, this cute little pale pink. Right, and then we're going to apply it on our cheeks like that, so you will look like you're slightly blushing. Right, so now here comes the fun part to me, which is highlighting. I am using the shade French Toast over here from the Itsmyrayeraye XPH Cosmetics palette. Right, so I am using natural lighting right now, so you can just look at where the light falls on the high points of your face and you can just highlight it like that. I like to highlight here because it actually shows the bow. Alright guys, so we're done and I am going to apply lipstick. I'm using the Maybelline Matte lipstick in the shade of 657 Nude Nuance. And we are done. So now let's start fixing our makeup. I am using the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Go To in my primer and setting spray. And then you guys are actually good to go. Also guys, feel free to leave your comments down below and hit the subscribe and the like button. So yeah, till we meet again in my next video.